Today on the Rockabilly Arts, we are starting on the new Morticia build. And what is the new Morticia build? Find out in a minute. Here we are at the shop again, and as you can see, the mad scientist is doing mad scientisty stuff. We have a new project, and in the last video I talked about the fact that I haven't really had to work on any of my stuff in a long time. So we're going to be spending the next few months building a big, nasty turbo motor for Morticia. And so right now we're playing with the intake. It's a MTS intake or Bulldog intake I bought from Cadillac High Performance. Good folks. By the way, if you buy Cadillac stuff, big block Caddy stuff, get it from them. But yeah, this will flow really nice. We bought a 75mm dual scroll work turbo. Got, you know, wastegates, got a Mega Squirt 3 Pro from DIY Auto Tune, you know, fuel rails. We got everything we need pretty much. But yeah, so we're getting started on the machine work, and let me show you what we're doing. As you can see here, we have this gorgeous, beautiful intake, and what we're doing is the injector bungs come just as a cast piece. See, so what we've done is we've taken this down, I'm gonna say 300. Yeah, right at it. And we've taken 115 off of the mounting flange. Multiple reasons. When we put the 1000 CFM throttle body on there, you could tell that this was intruding, and because it has a taper to it, by taking off some of this, we're able to open up the taper, and that'll give us better flow. Then we have the injector bungs. Like I said, we lobbed off about 300, and then we have this special bit that goes down and creates this notch. So what we're about to do is we're going to go to make about 3 or 5 passes over those to bring them down to the same height as those, and then we'll take our special bit, pop them through, and I think we'll be pretty good on the intake. What we have here is, well, it's basically a mock-up, but not really. So, because the bungs are on 5-inch centers, we're able to line these up on some parallels, find the center and mill them. But yeah, we just put the end injectors in so that you could just kind of test fit it. And then there's the ye old 1000 CFM Holley throttle body, just mocked up there too. So there you go. We have most of an intake. We're done, or at least getting the machine work on the intake. So we put the fuel rails on, I just showed that, and we put a couple injectors in to make sure everything fits right, and the throttle body, it looks so choice. Then we kind of figured out where everything's gonna go. So the plan is this: we're gonna do a dyno with how she sits right now. Then we're gonna do, you know, the fuel injection with the coils and, you know, new throttle body intake, all that stuff. Tune on naturally aspirated, see how that works, and then we'll start building the turbo. So this will be a long series of videos. I'll explain as we go along, hopefully, and they're probably not going to be like overly produced or all that in depth, but like we'll just each part, I'll probably make a video of what we're doing. So till we meet again, remember, drive fast, take chances, and safety third.